Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Gemini and selecting Image to Image for controlled vintage conversion. This gives you direct texture transfer. Upload a high-res photo and set the canvas size to your target aspect ratio so cropping won't destroy composition. Next, pick a vintage reference, Polaroid, Kodak Portra, or black and white film, because the model uses that as a style anchor. Once done, set a mid-range seed and 0.7 creativity so outputs stay consistent while still offering subtle variation. You now craft a detailed prompt that tells Gemini what to emulate. Include film name, decade, light direction, and mood because specificity yields authentic tones. Then apply negative prompts to remove modern digital hallmarks. That prevents harsh sharpening and HDR look. Make selective masks for faces and skies so color shifts and grain only affect background elements. Increase grain subtly and add vignetting to frame the subject. Finally, iterate 2-3 times while lowering strength to preserve original detail. You finish by reviewing iterations and choosing the one that balances texture and detail. Then upscale gently to retain grain integrity and export in TIFF or max quality JPG for archiving. Save your prompt, seed, and parameter preset so you can reproduce the exact vintage look later. If you see banding or odd colors, reduce style strength and rerun with a consistent seed or refine masks where artifacts show. That troubleshooting step cures most issues and preserves the vintage effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.